Welcome to my channel. Please, if this is your first time, subscribe. Actually, this question is a request from a friend, so let's bounce in. We were given that sine x is equal to 5 on 13, and we are supposed to find cos x minus 2 sine x over 2 tan x, where x lies between what 90 and 0, that is from 0 to 90 degrees. Therefore, I'm going to draw the diagram for this sine x, which is going to be right angle triangle that is shown here. The sine s is shown in the diagram below. This diagram, this is the sine s. This the x is the angle, the s is the angle, and AB is the what? The opposite, and then BC is the hypotenuse, and the AC is the what? Adjacent. To make things clearer, I wanted to show that the adjacent is the yellow part here, which is highlighted here, and then let me use, which color should I use? Let me use red for this part, which is the opposite, and then let me use blue for this part, which is what? The hypotenuse. So here we are. The yellow one is the adjacent, the red part is what? The opposite, and the blue one is what? The hypotenuse. Now, where are we looking for all these parts? Why are we interested in the adjacent, hypotenuse, and what? The opposite? We are interested because of what? The trig ratios we have been given in the question, which is what? The cos and the tan. So to find the cos, we have to look for what? The adjacent, and to find the tan, we have to look for what? The adjacent. That's why we are interested in the adjacent. So how do we solve for the adjacent? We can use the Pythagoras theorem, which is what? The SOHCAHTOA approach will also help. That means that we have what? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square, and that's going to give us what? 13 square equals what? 5 square plus what? Y square. So here we are. You can pause the video here and simplify and see what we have, whether we have the same thing. So if I simplify and I group lighters and I simplify, I'm going to get y equals square root of 169 minus 2, 5. The 169 is that's what? The 13 square, and then the 25 is that's what? 5 square. If I further simplify, I'll get y to be what? 12. Now somebody will ask, where do we even get the y from? Y is just what? The adjacent. So we just let y to be equals what? The adjacent, which is this length AC. So immediately we are going to get what? AC to be what? 12. Now we can go ahead and look for what? Rest. So since the adjacent is 12, we can now proceed to find the rest. That's cos s is equal to what? Adjacent over what? Hypotenuse, which is equal to what? Which means that cos s is equal to what? 12 over 13. The 12 is the adjacent, which we just found, and then the 13 is what? The hypotenuse, which has already been given. Then we also have that tan s is equal to what? Opposite over adjacent, which means that tan s is equal to what? 5 on 12. The 5 is what? The opposite, which has been given, and then 12 is the adjacent, which we just what? Find. Now if you combine this cos and tan function we are given, which is this function cos s minus 2 sin s over 2 tan x, that's going to give us what? 12 on 13, which is the cos s, minus 2 times what? 5 on 13, which is the sin x, and then 2 times what? 5 on 12, which is what? The tan s. If we simplify the top one, we are going to get what? 2 on 13, all divided by, if we simplify the down one, we are going to get what? 10 on 12. Further simplification gives us what? 12 on 65. And that's the solution for what? Cos x minus 2 sin x over 2 tan x. Please, if you have a video, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want any video on any question, please you can give it to me on the comment section so that I'll do it for you. Thanks very much for watching and subscribing. See you next time.